Very good morning. Today I am on the lecture 37th, days 3rd, class 9, The Lost Child, written by Mulk Rajanand. And the book is The Moment, class is 9th. Here I will finally finish the moments and the chapter first, The Lost Child. Page number 4, paragraph 3rd starts here. He ran quickly again, this time to the shrine to which the people seemed to be the crowding. Actually, the people who is moving towards that particular fair, they all are the considering this is the fair and being the regarded and the cared like as the shrine. Every little inch of the space was the congested by the man, but he ran through the people's plate. So much crowd that area has been there that he is moving towards the lake and through the lakes, and the little sob lingering because he is not found he is the father and the mother yet. He is even the sob is the lingering mother, father near the entrance to the temple. However, the crowd became very thick. The men jostled each other. Heavy man with the flashing murderous eye and the hefty shoulder. The poor child struggled to thrust a way between their feet and the knocked to and fro by their the brutal movements. He might have been the tramped underfoot had not shrieked at the highest pitch of the voice. Father, mother, a man in a surging crowd, heard his the cry and stooping with a great difficulty lifted him up in his arms. The best part is there, the thing is there basically. The quality of the crowd is the so intense that everyone is the jostling to each other and severe congestion there. And the boy with a very little of his the size, face and the feature in a very emotional mood for searching his the father and the mother, and what type of the congestion and what type of the problem will in the boy's mind you can understand and they realize. How did you get there? In the meantime, a good civilian, a gentleman, stood up the boy from the crowd because he was very much busy and he was almost the crowd has given a push in such a manner that the boy got flat there. In the meantime, a good civilian stooping up means took the boy in his lap and searched it out and they lifted him up. And how did you get there? Child, whose baby you are? Who's your father and the mother? The man asked as he stared clear the mask. The child wept more bitterly than ever now and only cried, I want my mother, I want my mother. 3 and the 4, the interrogative question was the put by the stooping man. But he was unable to give the answer. He was again bitterly and the weeping. I want my mother, I want my father. The man tried to soothe him by the talking him to the roundabout. Will you have a ride on a horse? Actually, he just want to distract his attention. He gently asked, approached the ring. The child tore into the 1,000 seats and sobbed, not only shouted, I want my father and I want my father. Again, repeatedly, he was crying for, I want my mother, I want my father. The man headed towards the place where the snake charmer still played on a flute to the swing cobra. Listening to that the nice music, child, he pleaded, but the child shut his the ear with the fingers and the shouted his the double pitched strain, I want my father, I want my mother. Actually, again he put up again the motivated solution to the boy so that at least he may be quail for a period. He just offered him to see the snake charmer. After listening it, he put up his the hand in his the ear and cried with the high pitch, I want my mother, I want my father. The man took him near the baboons and the taking him in the bright color of the balloon would distract the child attention and the quieted him. Would you like a rainbow colored balloon? He persuasively asked. The child turned his the eyes from the flying balloons and just sobbed, I want my mother, I want my father. Now again he gave a motivation for the multicolored balloon. Please, it should be purchased by me for you, but he is not. He is only concentrated for his the parents, father and the mother. The man is still trying to make the child happy, bore him to the gate where the flower seller said, look, can you smell those nice flowers, child? He is also offering right now to make him quiet. Would you like to the garland put round your neck? The child turned his nose away from the basket and retaliated his sob, I want my father, I want my mother again. Repeatedly, stereotype, I want my mother, I want my father. Thanking to the humor this disconsolate, charged by a gift of the sweets, he was the given by the so many motivational points, snake charmer, garland, the flavor and the florence of the flower, roundabouts, different color of the balloon, a gift of the sweets. The man took him in the counter of the sweets. So, what sweets you like to child? He asked. The child turned his the face, the street shop and only sobbed, I want my father and I want my mother. Finish. In the meantime, I would like to inform you, since tomorrow I will give you some summer homework to you. In the meantime, I finished The Lost Child, written by the Mulk Raj Anand, class 9th, lecture 37, and the Book of the Moments. Please utilize your time. If you are there in your home or a room, eat much, enjoy much, but study much and respect your parents. Thank you.